Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet these 5 petal flowers. Now before we get started, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a crochet tutorial. Now for this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 3 millimeters. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this tutorial I'm using crochet 4-ply yarn. So let's get started. We begin with a slip knot, and once you have your slip knot, you need to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you need to work a slip stitch in the first chain that you started with. That's right here. And now you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we are going to work a triple crochet into this circle right here. So for that you need to yarn over twice. This is 1 and 2. Insert your hook into this circle right here. You pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Now we are going to work that triple crochet again. So you yarn over twice, that's 1 and 2. You insert your hook into this ring, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Now you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now you need to work a slip stitch into this ring. Now we've completed the first petal here. We need to work 4 more petals just like this. So for that you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You need to work 2 triple crochets. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the ring. Pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Again, you need to work 1 more triple crochet. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into this ring, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Now you have your 2 triple crochets. Now you need to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you work a slip stitch into this ring. Now we've completed working 2 petals. You need to work 3 more petals into this ring using the same pattern. So we worked the first one, the second one, you need to work 3 more petals into this ring. After you complete your 5 petals, you need to chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now we're going to join the next color. Now to join the next color, I'm working a slip knot, and I'm going to join this in one of the triple crochets that we worked. So I'm going in right here. This is a triple crochet. Right on top of that, you join the next color and you chain 2. You work 1 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, and you work 2 double crochets in the next stitch. That's 1 and 2. And now you work 1 double crochet right into this space right here. Now you chain 3, and now you need to insert your hook into this ring right here and pull up a loop. So you go into this ring and you pull up a loop. And you chain 1, and now you chain 3. Now after you work your chain 3, you need to work 1 double crochet right into the space right here. Now you work 2 double crochets in the next stitch. That's right on top of your triple crochet. That's 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Now you chain 1, you work 2 double crochets in the next stitch, that is your next triple crochet. It's 1 and 2. 1 double crochet in this space here. And now you chain 3, and again you need to insert your hook into this space right here and pull up a loop. And chain 1. And now you chain 3, and again you work 1 double crochet right into this space. And you need to continue working this pattern for the rest of this row. You need to work your second, you need to work 2 double crochets in the next stitch here. That's right on top of your triple crochet. 1 and 2, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 and 2, 1 double crochet into the space, chain 3. You need to pull up your loop, inserting your hook into the chain space, into this space right here. And you chain 1 and chain 3. And now you need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete your last petal and you have your chain 3 here, you need to work 1 double crochet in this space. We had started with this triple crochet. So we have this space here. You need to work 1 double crochet into this space. And now you need to join your row with a slip stitch right into the first chain 2 that we started the row with. Now you chain 1 and you can cut your yarn. We've completed working this flower. All you need to do is work in your ends and you have your 5 petal flower ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.